Hello everyone, this is Helen. Today we're gonna make steamed eggplant salad. For this recipe, you need this kind of long purple eggplant. If you found Chinese eggplant, Japanese eggplant, or Korean eggplant, it doesn't matter. They all will work for this recipe because they are very similar. When you pick the eggplant, try to pick the shiny dark purple ones and with smooth skin and no wrinkles. They are more fresh and taste better. The ones I use today are not the best, but they're what I have. Before we prepare the eggplant, we need to bring the water to boil, then we can steam them. First, let's remove the ends. You wouldn't want to eat them even though they are edible. I cut them into about 2-inch sections. You can also cut it smaller if you want to cook faster, but I like to keep them in big sections because when I cut them smaller, I tend to overcook them and the color will not turn out pretty purple. One more step we need to do before we put them into a steamer if we want to try to keep the purple color. I just drizzle some oil and mix them together. Some people use vinegar, but I found oil works quite well for me. Now I lay them in the steamer basket. Try not to overlap them. I steam them on high heat for 8 minutes. When the eggplants are cooking, we need to make a sauce. Usually I make spicy sauce for this recipe, but today I'm going to make a non-spicy peanut butter based sauce. I use peanut butter, 1 tablespoon, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, vinegar, 1 teaspoon, and garlic powder, ½ teaspoon. If you use this kind of natural peanut butter, you may find at first the peanut butter doesn't seem to blend with everything else because it has only peanuts and a little bit salt in there. But if you keep mixing, you'll get a nice consistency like this in a couple of minutes. If you want to add some color to the eggplants, you can also cut up some cilantro or green onions for the garnish. After 8 minutes, the eggplants should be done. If you're not sure, you can use a chopstick to cook the eggplants. If the chopstick can go through easily, it's done. Now I transfer the eggplants into a large mixing bowl. Usually I would let them cool down and use my hand to tear them. But today I don't have time to wait for them to cool down, so I just use 2 forks to break them apart. Now we can top with the cilantro we chopped earlier or whatever you have, and then mix with the sauce we made earlier. Now your peanut butter flavored eggplant salad is done. Thanks for watching. I upload new recipes every week. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me comments below. I'll see you in the next video.